Okay, so today I'm going to tell you 3 tips and tricks that will make you faster in the Rubik's Cube. Okay, so the first trick is a cross trick. In this trick, you will find this edge. Okay, so to solve this edge, you will first do R prime and then F2. But these are a lot of moves, right? I also feel these are a lot of moves. Instead of this, we can just do D, R prime and D prime. And this edge will be solved. Okay, now the second trick is a finger trick. You see, when you are in the mood of solving this corner. Sorry, first we have to make the cross. So I'll just quickly make the cross. Just quickly making the cross. Okay, now like here, this corner is in solving position. Now, when you're solving this, you should not hold the cube like this. What is the disadvantage of solving this corner like this, holding this, is that like when you do R, you will have to reposition your hand to do the U move. Okay, so instead of this, if you hold your like this, if you hold the cube like this, then when you do R, your thumb comes up and still you have to reposition your hand to do the U move. Okay, so now instead of these two things, you have to like hold the cube like this, that the 3 fingers are like this and the thumb is like this. Okay, and then do R, and this finger is here to do the U move, and you will not have to reposition your hand, and this makes your solving a lot faster. Now the final trick is look ahead. So what is look ahead? In look ahead, you whenever you're solving a corner, okay, so whenever you are solving it, you should not see that corner. So you should not see the corner that you are solving. Instead, you can see the other things that you have to solve in future. For example, here I'll solve the corner, but while solving this, I know the algorithm. I don't need to see this. Seeing this will waste my time. Instead, I can see this corner over here that I have to solve in future. So when I'm solving this, it comes over here. I will quickly match it and then solve it. And then I will see here, while I'm solving, I will see that here, there is a corner that needs to be solved. So like this is look ahead. So like in look ahead, again, I'm just telling you again, you should not see the pieces that you are solving. Instead, you should see the pieces that you have to solve in the future. This helps me and it will help you a lot. Okay, so look ahead, the finger trick and the cross trick I told you will make you faster at the Rubik's Cube. I can guarantee you will be faster in it. Not like it, there will not be a big difference in your timings, but there will be a difference like of 5-6 seconds, and that is a lot for us for now. Okay, so these were 3 tricks to become faster at Rubik's Cube. And if you like the video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it. And press that notification bell too, so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and please subscribe to my channel too. And comment down below that are you faster in solving the Rubik's Cube now or not? If not, I'll try to explain you and contact you and explain you personally. Okay? Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe and stay healthy.